How to reinforce a vinyl fence post.
In this video, we'll be discussing the best way to reinforce a vinyl fence post to ensure your fence remains strong, sturdy, and long-lasting. By following the steps outlined below, you'll be able to improve the stability and durability of your fence with minimal effort and cost.
Why reinforce a vinyl fence post?
Vinyl fence posts can sometimes lack stability, especially in areas with high winds or heavy loads. Reinforcing them will not only increase their strength but also extend their lifespan. In this section, we'll discuss the importance of reinforcement and the main factors that can affect your fence's stability. Key points: vinyl fence posts may require reinforcement for stability. High winds and heavy loads can put strain on your fence. Reinforcement extends the lifespan of your fence.
What materials do you need for reinforcement?
Reinforcing a vinyl fence post can be done using a few simple materials. In this section, we'll go over the materials you'll need to gather before beginning the reinforcement process. Materials: metal or wooden post inserts, concrete mix, shovel or post hole digger, bucket or wheelbarrow, water, trowel, or a piece of wood to level the concrete.
How to install a post insert.
In this section, we'll demonstrate how to properly install a metal or wooden post insert into your vinyl fence post. This will provide the necessary internal support to ensure a more stable and durable fence. Steps: 1. Measure the height of your vinyl fence post. 2. Cut the post insert to match the height of your vinyl post. 3. Slide the insert into the vinyl post, ensuring a snug fit. 4. Secure the insert with screws, if necessary.
How to reinforce the fence post with concrete.
For additional reinforcement, we'll show you how to use concrete to anchor your vinyl fence post in the ground. This will provide a strong, stable foundation that can withstand wind and other stresses. Steps: 1. Dig a hole at least 2 to 3 feet deep and twice the width of the vinyl post. 2. Pour a few inches of gravel at the bottom of the hole for drainage. 3. Position the vinyl fence post with the insert in the hole, ensuring it is plumb. 4. Mix the concrete according to the manufacturer's instructions. 5. Pour the concrete into the hole, filling it up to the ground level. 6. Use a trowel or a piece of wood to level the concrete, sloping it slightly away from the post. 7. Allow the concrete to cure for at least 24 to 48 hours before attaching any fence panels. Reinforcing your vinyl fence post is an easy and effective way to ensure your fence remains strong and durable for years to come. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can enhance the stability of your fence, protecting it against wind and other environmental factors.